Hello students, the question is from Compiler Design. Okay, the question is given as the grammar is given A B B B B A epsilon and B tending to epsilon. Okay, so we have to find out the grammar is LL1 or the grammar is SLR1, and like both is true or only one of these are true. Okay, or none of these are true. So the given grammar is like this, so we have to find out. So to find for the LL1, we have to first find the follow of all these things. So follow of S will be what? It will be, first it will be dollar, right? Then follow of A will be what? Follow of A will be C, A B, right? A B. Okay, and follow of B will be what? Follow of B will be B comma A, right? So this is the scenario for the follow. So now we have to construct the table for the LL1. Okay, A B dollar S A B. So this will belongs to this part. This will be this. So this is the table for LL1. So if it contains in a one row, like more than one value is there for the particular input, so every cell contains only one production, right? So every cell contains only one production or no production. Therefore it is LL1. Okay, so and why it is not SL, this is not SLR1, because follow of A is equals to follow of B. So therefore it is not SLR1. Okay, so only first statement is true, so the answer is A, right? Answer is A. Thank you.